What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another 8482 tutorial. In this video, I want to show you the best place to get free light leaks. Now, I'm here on motionarray.com, and if you create an account, you come to Motion Graphics and you highlight free assets down here. You're going to see the free motion graphics that you're able to use with Motion Array. And if you scroll down here, you have a variety of light leaks. Now, these can be used for transitions in video projects. That's how I like to use them. You can also use them on top of any sort of video effect within your project. There's some film overlays, there's static transitions, they got some different color streaks. So all of these are completely free. You can download them and use them in your project. Let's go ahead and download one. I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account, and it's making me start over. So again, I'm going to come up to templates here, click motion graphics. I'm going to scroll down to these free transitions I have here, and I can go ahead and download any one of these. They're going to immediately download into an extracted folder. I can click show in folder. I can right click these, press extract, and then they're going to download as videos, and I can use those videos in my project. So if I open up Premiere Pro, for example, I'm going to come up and press File, Import. I'm going to come to my Downloads folder and locate the transition. I'm going to press open, and I can drag this transition now over my timeline, and you can see it imports perfectly. I can click on it, come up to the effects control, and change the blend mode to screen, for example. And what that's going to do is it's going to add this transition in a very kind of cool way to my project, so I can use it over my video layers. I just recently filmed a tutorial on an overview on TikTok. That's what you're seeing here in this project. Or I can use it as it transitions there into a different clip. So that's a great way to download your free light leaks. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Again, that's motionarray.com. Come up to videos and motion graphics. Make sure you click on free assets and you'll be good to go. Looks like they have about 8 free transitions. So all you need to do is create an account. You don't need to pay for anything, and you'll be set. Drop a comment if you have any questions, if I missed anything in this tutorial, and we'll see you guys in the next one.